Maggie back with another craft for you. Today we are going to make sun catchers. You're going to need the band part of a mason jar lid, a printout of any design you want. You'll just print it on regular printer paper, something to color it with, some twine or yarn, some kind of oil. I'm using olive oil, and cotton balls. So what you want to do is you want to measure your picture first. So if you have your insert, you'll just measure it like this and trace it. And cut it out. If you want to color it before you cut it out, that's fine too. Okay. So now you'll choose whatever colors you'd like and just color your drawing in. Okay, so once you've finished coloring it, you want to get maybe a paper towel out. So now you're going to use the olive oil. You just don't want to make a mess of it. And you'll just take a cotton ball and put some oil on it. And you're going to wipe your whole surface. This is going to make it transparent so you can see through it, and it'll look like, not exactly like glass, but a little bit like it. Just want to make sure we give it a transparent look. And you want to make sure you do this after you color it. You'll see you can see through the back already. And now you're going to take your glue gun and glue this, glue your picture into the top of the mason jar lid. Be careful since you're working with very hot glue and metal. And now you're going to take your string or twine, whatever you have, and you're going to put a little bit of glue just so your string holds. You can wrap this around as many times as you want, depending on how much color you want on it. Just put a little more glue on at the end. And now you want to figure out how long you want your sun catcher to be. This will be for the loop that we're going to put at the top. I'm just going to tie a knot at the top here. There are lots of different ways you can do this part of it. However you think it will look nicest, whatever your taste is. I'm just making a knot in the top. And I'm gonna glue it to the inside. And there you have it. Now you'll just hang this somewhere where it'll get some sunlight in the window, and that's your sun catcher. I hope hope you enjoyed this craft, and I will see you in our next video.